In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix UpScrolled app not working. So if UpScrolled application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be unstable internet connection, so make sure you're connected to a stable network. If still your application is not working, there might be some bugs in the application. So in that case, what you have to do is update the app in order to fix the bugs. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now once you do that, what you have to do is search for UpScrolled. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for UpScrolled and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it, wait for a while and the application will be updated. Now after you do that, your problem should be solved and the application should start working. But if the application still does not work, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, launch open app library of your device, find the application for UpScrolled and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. You'll be able to see various options over here. Tap on this option storage and cache. Now in the storage interface you can see two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now after the cache has been cleared, your problem should be solved. But if the application still does not work, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the app and install it again. After you do that, your problem will be fixed. But sometimes the problem might be with the device itself. So in that case, what you have to do is restart your device, long press on the power button. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and the device will be restarted. After you do that, the application should start working. So that is how you fix UpScrolled app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.